Hey guys, welcome to Phonics 54. We've got a new rule today, but first we're going to go over our sight words. Are, there, that's the people or things, there, goes, does, come, and there is a place. T-H-E-R-E is the place. So that's the sight words we've been going over all week. Now, what we're going to learn today is that we've learned a lot of rules about K and C. For example, and when you guys were here in person, hopefully in December, we'll get you back. So you can see on the board, I've got it written. We use C before A, O, U, or a consonant, a word that starts with K, A, K, O, K, 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 A, words like that. And then we use the K when we have E, I, or Y. So we use C for A, O, U, or a consonant, K for E, I, or Y. We've also learned that at the endings of words, if it's a long vowel word, then we use K-E. Remember? Today we're going to learn that there is actually another K ending to words. And we're going to look at these words. This word is plastic, plastic, rustic, sonic, and majestic. Now let's take a look at those words. I coded the A, but then I noticed there is another vowel in this word. So this is a two-vowel word, which means that I have to come below it and I have to code vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. And then I separate my word, and that word is plastic. And that is the reason I use the C at the end of a word. When you have a word that is more than one syllable and it ends with the K sound, we put a C. So these are more than one syllable words. This rustic, it has two syllables. So I would code it the U and the I, and then the two consonants, separate it, code my vowels, and then I'm going to have to code my C with a K back, rustic. The reason I did not use the K was what? Because it's more than one syllable. It's a two-syllable word. And there could be a three-syllable word that we would also use the C at the end of. This word has two syllables. I know that because it has just as many vowels as it does syllables. It only has the one consonant. So I'm going to separate it here. On, it, and then I'm going to code the C with a K back. Sonic, sonic. This word, a vowel here, a vowel here, and a vowel here. Wow, a three-syllable word. Okay, then we have a consonant, a consonant, a consonant. And we'll separate it. Majestic. And this one gets separated right here. Majestic, majestic. Okay. So that's a two-syllable word, a two-syllable word, a two-syllable word, and a three-syllable word that all end with the sound K, and that is why we use the C. So there's a new rule. Short vowel word, we use the K, or a long vowel word, we use the K-E, and a more than one syllable word, we use the C. Sheesh. It's a good thing I've got them on the board for us. Now, we're going to see if this is a sentence or a phrase. Now, I think it's going to be a sentence because here we've got that period and a capital. We had a good time. We had a good time. And boys and girls, that is how you should be reading at home. When your first read, if you struggle with the second word, start the sentence back over every time. We had a good time. But see, I read it several times before I could figure out what all the words are. Okay, so let's get our worksheet up there and get our sounds. And parents, there's that rule, same rule that's written on my board, and I still use it every day. So, let's start out with some sounds. We have the vest, which was what we learned yesterday. Vest, the vest. Hat. We have a consonant digraph, ng, ng, remember that one? Ng. Umbrella, short U. Code that with a breathe. Lion, lion. And then today we are also going to write some sight words. We're going to write the sight word the and the sight word of, because these are hard to spell words. Sight word the, of. That's all we're going to write this time. So we have the blend blue. And then we've also had the blend grass, and gl for glass. Okay, so the and of, sight words, we've got to start writing those. Pretty soon, if we ever get back into school full time, we're going to have spelling tests. Let's see what they want me to write. Okay, today we learned about C at the end of a word. C at the end of a word. And over here, this is what you'll be doing on your worksheet in Seesaw as well. The rules are up here, and we have to decide. Is it going to be CK for short vowel, K used after a consonant or vowel digraph, KE is used in long vowel words, and C is more than one syllable words. So, I'm going to say the words. Milk. Okay, what do I use right if I have a consonant? And see, K is used after a consonant or a vowel digraph. So I'm going to use the K. This is frantic. Frantic. Two-syllable word. I'm going to use the C. Frantic. This word is poke, and it is a long vowel word. I know that I have to use a K-E if it's a long vowel word. Poke. Poke. Picnic. That's a two-syllable word. So right off the bat, I know I'm going to use C. And this takes a lot of getting used to, guys. You're not going to get it just like that. So don't worry about that, parents. This word is think. There's a consonant. Yes, a consonant, so I'm going to use the K. Think. Think. This is pluck. Short vowel word. I know that ends with a CK. CK. attic, two-syllable word. And what was how did I know that, guys? If I didn't know the word, how could I know that that is a two-syllable word? Because there's two vowels in it, right? Book. We all know how to spell book. But it does have a vowel digraph, and it says right here, vowel digraph, use a K. Okay. And then we have a short vowel word, neck. So I know I have to use the CK. And then I have like. There's a long vowel word, KE. KE. Now, you will not be as quick as I was, but that's okay. Take your time, parents. Help them as much as you need to. It comes with a lot of practice. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.